This video is about getting rid of the fake Windows support alerts, which quote the fake Windows support number. The number is +1 833 493 0997. If you see such pop-ups, you need to be very careful not to trust what they tell you. Such pop-ups are really fake and obviously quite deceptive, so do not call this fake Windows support number. Instead, just leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other types of threats which could possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to fix your browser and remove any other malware. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.